So here, this is our YouTube channel. How to get your YouTube channel content ID? Suppose your channel will be AdSense. We can't get the content ID. When your channel will be partner verified, this is called MCN channel. That is called CMS person. Means multiple channel network. Means content management system channel. They're getting for content ID. What do you mean by content ID? Suppose I upload one video with content ID. Same video upload for some other YouTube channel person without ask the permission. Within a second of time, they got strike by their channel. Where you can enable your content ID first. Go to your video. Maybe using your videos, automatically getting problem for some other using your videos free. If enable your content ID, if anybody using for content ID is enabled, once the video is uploading for the channel, two benefits. They got copyright. Second thing is how much views they get, the earnings will be connected to your channel. How much your earnings will be got, the earnings will be converted to your Rakesh Execution channel. Clear? Two strikes. One is the strike. Second thing will be revenue conversion. He's got 1,000 views. The earning will be converted to where? On your channel. Why? This is my own video. How to know? Based on the content ID. Suppose I'm uploading the video. I'm not enable my content ID. Is enabled for content ID. I'm get strike. And get the strike. But is my video. Nobody can do for like this. Is it clear? Any owner is generating for content ID. This is my own video. Nobody can copyright purpose. You can create by the enable YouTube content ID. So this is called go to your particular video. In this, the content ID is eligible only for montage option also. When monetization purpose, there's earning purpose. Here, just I'm clicking for monetization. What is called? Enable content ID matches. Means if anybody uploads same video for other channel within a fraction of seconds, the video will be getting strike. First step, or else the content will be second policy. The earning will be how much the third party channel will be earning. The earning will be converted into your channel. Two policies. So here, I have the necessary from rights to the client other videos that contain this content match policies. If enable, what is that? Monetization for all countries. Specific country can select, all country will be selected. Is it clear? This is called enable your content ID option. This content ID will be enabled only for YouTube MCN member. YouTube AdSense member can't enable for content ID option. So this is called content ID enabled for your YouTube channel purpose. For nobody can copyright your videos purpose.